Welcome to the ToolHound Learning Center. Let's look at how to report on lost tools. We'll look at two reports. We'll start with the Damaged Tools report. To restrict the data to only lost tools, click on the Advanced Filters tab, click plus to add a new filter row, and then scroll down to the Inventory Status block and select Inventory Status. In the comparison column, select equals, and then type lost before clicking preview. We see the transaction details for the items returned as lost. You can use this same filter on the Retired Assets report. Select the Advanced Filters tab and click plus. In the first column, scroll down to the Inventory Status block and select the Inventory Status field. In the second column, select equals, and in the third column, type lost. After clicking preview, we can see that the Retired Assets report is much more condensed. When adding the filter, you can use contains in place of equals to get the same data. Thanks for watching this video from the ToolHound Learning Center. For any questions, contact our support team.